Welcome. If you want to transfer data from iPhone SE to your iPhone 12 Pro, at the first you have to go for the App Store on both devices and download application to transfer data. So we are going to use application name Send Anywhere. So type in the search pool Send Anywhere, and that is the app that we have to download. So let's get it. Now just wait a little bit. For the first we are going to open this up on our iPhone SE. So click on open. Accept all permissions that pops on your screen. And right now open on iPhone 12 Pro. And here the same, just tap on allow and OK every time that it happens on your screen. So right now we can select photos, for example. So let's take these two photos, and we can enter also for the videos. Let's take maybe this one, and this one. Here we can also select contacts and other things that we have on our smartphone, but it's only example, so I'm going to leave it with these two pictures and two videos. Right now click send right here, and to your iPhone 12 Pro move to the receive, click to input the key, and we have to input this 6-digit pin right here. So 702199, click receive. Click here OK. And right now we have to wait until the data will be sent, so just wait. And as you can see, the transfer is complete, so right now we can go for Google Photos and just check if it works properly. So go for the recent, and as you can see here we got two pictures that we sent and also the video. So that's how we can transfer data from iPhone SE to your iPhone 12 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!